Hi there. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about different planes and work axes. So I've started with this object here, and what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to just use it to create all kinds of different planes. So if you need to create, to add on to an existing part, often it's not you don't have a plane laying ready in exactly the right location, and so you need to create a plane. So the most basic type of plane, if you just hit plane, is just going to match it up with an existing plane. All right, so there's a plane that's on that existing plane, but we've already got a plane there, so we don't need to put one right on top of there. So let's look at some of these other ones. So we have offset from a plane, and so there we choose an existing plane, and then you'll get this arrow here, and you can pull it out. Either by a specific amount or just pull it out till it looks like a good distance. So let's say we wanted that 1 inch, hit enter, and there is that new plane. We could also do parallel to plane through a point, and that would require an existing point. Let's see if we can make that happen off of here. Actually, maybe we can grab that point over there. So let's say we wanted to have a plane that was parallel to this, but it went right through the center. So let's get back into that parallel to plane through a point. So this parallel to this plane, but through this point, and it'll make a parallel plane that goes right through there. Then mid plane between two planes. So if we have this plane here, and let's grab the plane on the opposite side, this plane here, they're not parallel to each other, but we can create a plane that goes right down the middle of them. All right, so that was this plane, and we created one that's right down the center of the two. All right, the angle to plane around edge is useful, where you can just grab an edge and you'll have a plane that should grab onto that edge. I'm not sure what else I'm supposed to grab here, to be honest. Angle to plane around edge. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with that one. So I grab that edge, and then I think I need to put it in an angle, but I'm not seeing somewhere to put it in. Well, there you go. Go figure that one out. And the tangent ones I've used a lot. We would need a rounded surface to be able to use the tangent ones, but just showing you how all these planes work. So once you've created a plane, in order to use that plane, so let's say this one here, let's say we wanted to create a loft. What you need to do is you need to grab onto the outside edge. So you see where that yellow line is? So I'm going to first hit escape because it's still trying to put a plane in. I'm going to click on the plane, and then you usually need to grab on the outside edge, and then you can just use this little shortcut here to create a sketch on that plane. And that's how you use planes.